and coach Jimmy Kola. Is still putting out instructions.
I think Saka is passive in the game. Brilliant first touch. After he was being introduced, he's been a passive, a passenger in the game. Still to let his impact felt in the game. So I think he must try to have his game because he's part of those players that Prosper Nateogum will be relying on in the course of the season for goals. So I think he's proving from Tanoba Fuaka that he's one of the reliable and a brilliant striker they can rely on. So I think he must be up his game, especially in his first game for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Peter Amidou is being stretched out.